Converting between units of time. In this video, we will be showing you 12-hour clocks and 24-hour clocks. If the time is in a 12-hour format, then we know if it's morning or afternoon as indicated by AM or PM. If the time is before 12 o'clock lunchtime, it will be followed by an AM. If it is from 12 o'clock lunchtime or afterwards, it will be followed by PM. In a 24-hour clock, after 12 o'clock lunchtime, the clock continues to run all the way until 11 o'clock, which is 2300, and then the clock resets to 0 at midnight. For example, if we're looking at 4 in the afternoon, the 24-hour time would have the 4 added to the 12 hours before lunch to make 16. Let's look at some examples. In this time, it is 3:10 p.m. We know that this is in the afternoon as indicated by the PM. In the 24-hour format, we would take the 3 in the afternoon, add it to the 12 hours before lunch to make 15:10. There's no need for an AM or PM because the 15 tells us that it is in the afternoon. Have a look at these examples. Here, 1800 is clearly in the afternoon as the 18 is past 12 o'clock lunchtime. To convert it back to 12-hour clock, we need to subtract 12 from the hours. Subtracting 12 would give us 6. Now we need to add in the AM or PM. As in the 12-hour format, we need this to show us if it's morning or afternoon. In this case, it's PM. For this time, we again subtract the 12 hours from the hours to give us 1:20 PM. This one's a little trickier. 2:15 AM in the 24-hour clock is still indicated as 2:15. This is because if this was in the afternoon, it would be 14:15. There's still no need for AM or PM. In this time, it's 3:45. This is in the 12-hour clock. So as the number is not bigger than 12 for the hours, we know this must be before lunchtime. Therefore, the 12-hour time is still 3:45, but we need the AM to show it. Finally, 9 AM remains as 9, as it is before lunchtime, but there's no need for the AM or PM.